Okay, for those of you that remember, I did a prank call about, let's say 2 months ago. And basically, I got the number back of the same guy I prank called in that video. We're going to prank call him back. And I'm going to act like some supervisor that's reporting that he never paid for the insurance for, my car getting hit and everything kind of thing. And let's see how he reacts about it and see if he even remembers after 2 months. So just sit back and enjoy and give it a thumbs up. By the way, before I start though, when I don't have a prank video up, like a public prank up within 2 weeks, then I will upload a prank call just so that you guys still have something funny to watch. And give it a thumbs up and comment below if you want to see that, because may as well upload something better than nothing, you know. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. I am a supervisor for a man named Jackson that I believe called you about 2 months ago.
No.
What do you mean no? No.
I don't know
What
you're talking about.
Well, there was a man named Jason or Jackson or something. I'm the supervisor for him about this issue that's been going on since a couple of months ago. He told me he gave you a call about you leaving a note on his car and that you hit into it and you didn't pay for the insurance for it, at least help a little bit about it. Could you tell me what exactly happened?
I have no idea.
Well, are you sure? Because he said that your number was on it and that he gave you a call and you doubted and denied that you're the one that hit his car.
Oh, yeah, I am. And I told him to call the police, and I'll tell you the same thing.
Well, I'm the supervisor, so he didn't exactly call the police. He got more of a lawyer type thing. But like I said, I'm just a supervisor for him type thing, you know. He is still a little angry about it, and he just wanted to, you know, have me talk to you about it and see how we could figure this all out.
Now, how is it any of your business?
Well, he hired me. He hired me about
did he?
it. Yes, he did.
Oh, why don't you give me... What's your phone number?
My phone number? Okay, it's 455 328
Hang on.
6613. Did you got it? You got it?
Hold on one second.
Alright.
455. Say that one more time.
Oh yeah, it's 455 328 6616. Got it?
Yep, calling it right now.
Alright. I mean, alright, that's great, man. But could you explain to me exactly what happened, though?
Yeah, nothing happened.
Are you sure, though? Like, are you for sure that... Are you for sure...
I'm calling your other number. Hang on.
Are you for sure it wasn't you, though? That's my question.
Okay, so that phone number doesn't work, partner.
Well, it is my number. It is my number. I don't know what you're talking...
Why does it show a disconnected number?
I don't know. It should be working, though.
Yeah, it's not. And neither did his last time, so I'm going to tell you the same thing. I've already called the police. You do the same thing. And don't call this number again.
Could you just please find a way to tell me that it wasn't you, though?
Yeah, that was not me.
Alright, do you know anybody that could have done it? Do you know anyone that's used your car, you know, in the past 2 months or anything like that?
No, you know what? This is a bullshit scam. Don't call this number again.
This is not a scam.
Call the police.
This is not a scam,
You
man.
understand?
How is this a scam? Please explain.
Why would his supervisor be calling me with the same bullshit story 3 months later?
He told me about it because you never called him back about it.
Yeah, of course I didn't, because it's a scam. So call the police. That's the normal procedure.
I mean, like I said, he called me and he talked to his lawyer about it. He's like, well, have your supervisor give him a call and see what goes on.
Oh, bullshit. You're so fucking stupid.
No, that's really what happened.
Yeah, the lawyer said, have your supervisor give him a call.
Yes, that's what he said to
Fucking
do.
dummy. You got to come up with a better story than that.
That's really what he said. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm really kidding you.
Oh, really? Now you don't
You
want
gotta
to
come up with a better plan.
you don't want to take
Because
the
clearly,
you don't want to take it seriously now.
oh no, I sure shit don't. Call the police. Because that number you just gave me was bullshit. I just called it from my other phone.
Really? You
Yeah, I
think?
really did.
And explain me how you have another phone. How do you have another phone? Like,
I have two phones. I have a work phone, which I
Okay.
never would have given out in the first place, which is one you're calling me on.
okay,
So, tell you what, how about you go fuck yourself?
excuse me.
Yeah, do that. And call the police.
You know what? Go fuck
Then
your
go fuck
mother,
yourself
man.
again.
Come on, give me a
And then
break.
call a lawyer. And then they can go fuck themselves too.
How about you
How
go?
about that?
How about you fuck your mother, man? Jesus.
Yeah. After you.
No,
Yeah.
no, you can fuck your own mother, man. Oh my god. What the fuck? He got like so pissed. Oh my god. I don't know if I should call him back or not. I don't know if he'll actually call the police or not. Oh shit. I mean, I put unknown caller ID, but I don't know what the fuck he'll do. Oh shit. Well, this was already 8 minutes. That was good enough. I'm not gonna give him another call back. Oh man, I'm just pushing my luck. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment below if you want to see more prank calls. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is Chris from Crazy Prankers TV, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.